plus 27 73 158 2436 Mulani Operators Training School South Africa. Fully approved Boilermaker Dump Truck Forklift Training Centers in Secunda, Witbank, Nelspruit. Call plus 27 73 158 2436. Knowledge is light. Our Moto courses we offer free accommodation plus job assistance plus 277 31 58 24 36 to all students from Polokwane, Nelspruit, Pretoria Jonnesburg Welkom, Mahikeng, Sun City, Hazyview Maputo, St. Lucia, Richards Bay, Durban Mthatha, East London, Grahamstown, Outshoom, Botshabelo, Bloemfontein, Maseru, Kimberley, Upington, Bela Bela, madimole, dullstroom, Ermelo Newcastle, Lichtenburg, Virginia, Thohoyandou, Lefalal, Ladysmith, Ermelo Newcastle, Post Masburg, Kuruman, Vryburg Pietermaritzburg, South Africa, Zambia, Angola, Malawi, Zimbabwe, Namibia, Mozambique. Fully accredited and registered Ragno. 2013/1244105/07 WhatsApp plus 277 31 58 24 36 or 0731582436. 1. Counterbalance forklift, 5 days training. 2. Tractor loader backhoe TLB 10 weeks training. 3. Front end loader 10 days training. 4. Excavator 10 days training. 5. Mobile crane 10 days training. 6. Tower crane 10 days training. 7. Overhead crane 10 days training. 8. Dump truck 777 10 days training. 9. Reach truck 10 days training. 10. Grader 10 days training. 11. Bulldozer 10 days training. 12. Roller 10 days training. 13. Scoop trim LHD 2 weeks. 14. Bobcat 5 days training. 15. Container handler 2 weeks training. Welding courses plus 27 73 158 2436. 16. Boiler making 4 weeks training. 17. Co2 welding 4 weeks training. 18. Arc welding 4 weeks training. 19. Stick welding 4 weeks training. 20. Agony 4 weeks training. 21. Diesel mat 4 weeks training. 22. Electrical installation 4 weeks training. Registration is in progress. Come and register yourself. We also help to renew licenses. We offer you a certificate and site licenses NB. When you train with us, you're sure of passing. We offer free accommodation for those who come from far places. We train to pass, not to fail. Contact us. Call 27 73 158 2436.